So the largest difference we saw with the S23 Ultra was in performance. Not only is the phone substantially quicker at CPU and GPU-intensive applications, but it also offers a long battery life. And the key reason for this was TSMC's output. For the last 3 years, Samsung's foundry division has been producing Qualcomm chipsets, and they weren't doing a good job since the chipsets were not just overheating but also inefficient. Switching to TSMC fixed the issue. So many people expected that because we had such a significant improvement in performance this year, we wouldn't see the same with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. That, however, does not seem to be the case. According to a fresh source, the increase in graphics performance on the S24 Ultra will be considerably greater than what we witnessed on the S23 Ultra. According to Digital Chat Station, who has an excellent track record, the GPU on the S24 Ultra, which is the Adreno 750 on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, will be 50% quicker than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on the S23 Ultra. This also suggests that the S24 Ultra will outperform the impending iPhone 15 Ultra in terms of graphics performance. If you didn't know, the S23 Ultra already has better graphics than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so a 50% boost next year would imply Apple is unlikely to catch up with the iPhone 15 Ultra. What's intriguing is that Samsung will employ a bespoke version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with higher clock speeds in both CPU and GPU, thus the S24 Ultra will see an even larger boost than the indicated 50% for the ordinary Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Samsung will have its second Unpacked event of the year in August, where they will unveil the Z Fold 5, Flip 5, and tablets. However, Samsung is preparing to reveal another foldable during the event. Earlier speculation said that it would be their triple folding smartphone, but that does not seem to be the case. Instead, Samsung might release the first ever Galaxy Fold tablet. This will most likely fold once, like the Z Fold, but will have a much larger screen size. Apart than that, there is currently no information. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.